Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Jinnatunisa, lecturer, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss on Chapter 10, Functions of Food and Nutrients, Lesson 3, Carbohydrates, and Lesson 4, Lipids. After this class, we will be able to know about these topics: carbohydrate, classification of carbohydrate, sources of carbohydrate, functions of carbohydrate, classification of fats, functions of lipids, deficiency of fat. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate occupy the major portion of our daily diet. Foods containing carbohydrates are cheaper than other foods. They are the main sources of heat and energy of our body. Formation of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as their basic element. Carbohydrates are called hydrate of carbon since they are carry hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1. Respectively, just as water does. Thus, we can say that any compound containing hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 2:1 can be termed as carbohydrate. Classification of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are classified based on the number of saccharide group in them: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide. Carbohydrate formed by a single simple carbohydrate molecule are termed as monosaccharide. On hydrolysis or by digestion, monosaccharide cannot be simplified as they are the simple form of carbohydrate. In human nutrition, only hexoses are the importance. The three monosaccharide of hexoses group are glucose, fructose and galactose. Glucose. The most common simple carbohydrate is glucose. It is present in fruit, cereal and honey. Fructose. Fructose, known as fruit sugar, is found in honey, fruits, in very few vegetables. Galactose. Galactose is not present in nature. It is present only in milk sugar, lactose. Disaccharides. They are complex sugar with two saccharide group and are formed by the condensation of two monosaccharide. Commonly found disaccharide are sucrose, lactose and maltose. Sucrose. Sucrose, otherwise known as invert sugar, is present in sugarcane, beetroot and in many fruits and vegetables and honey. Sucrose, glucose plus fructose. Lactose. Lactose is also known as milk sugar and contain glucose and galactose. Maltose. Maltose or malt sugar in the disaccharide which contain two molecules of glucose. Starch is converted to maltose before breaking down into glucose. Polysaccharide. On hydrolysis, polysaccharide are simplified into large complex molecules of monosaccharides. Several hundred of glucose units are linked together in the polysaccharides. Starch, glycogen and cellulose are the common forms of polysaccharide. Starch. Starch is the main source of nourishment of human race. Plants store carbohydrate in the form of starch. All starches are broken down into glucose in the digestive system: rice, wheat, potato, etc. Starch, glucose N plus glucose N. Here N means lots of molecules. Glycogen. Glycogen can be described as the animal starch as it is in this form animal store carbohydrate in the body. It is not found in the plants. When we fast for long or do continuous hard labor, glycogen is broken down into glucose to meet the immediate need of energy for our body. Cellulose. More than 3000 glucose units are there in cellulose. It is found only in plants and not of human utilization. Our body cannot split cellulose due to the absence of necessary enzyme. It has an important role in defecation. Cereals such as rice, wheat, barley, etc. Sources of carbohydrate: sugar, candies, chocolates, sweetmeat, sagu, arrowroot, rice, barley, wheat, potato, dry food, linten, soybean, nut, fruits, grape, banana, apple, mango, etc. Green vegetables, for example, spinach, cabbage, pumpkin, etc. One should meet 50 to 60% of total calories from carbohydrate foods. Few sources of carbohydrate are given in this picture. Functions of carbohydrate. The most important functions of carbohydrate is to supply energy or fuel for the body. Thus, it is called as body fuel. 4 kilocalorie energy is produced by 1 gram of carbohydrate. Carbohydrates prevent ketosis by sparing fats from extreme burning. If carbohydrate supply is enough in the diet, protein is spread for important functions of it. This effect exerted of carbohydrate is called protein sparing effect. In the presence of carbohydrate, a certain kind of organism produce vitamin K and vitamin B in the intestine. Cellulose prevent constipation. Nervous tissue use glucose as the sole element for this energy. Helps to consume protein, vitamin and mineral. Prevents food containing partially incomplete protein to produce heat. As a result, protein is not consumed. It is called protein sparing action. Symptoms of carbohydrate deficiency. Production of heat and energy reduce when carbohydrate becomes deficient in our body. Constipation becomes a common problem when we avoid cellulose in our diet. Lipids. Among the 6 nutrition, lipid or fat produce the largest amount of energy in our body. Nearly all natural foods contain lipid. Fats are extract of fatty acid with glycerol. True fat has 1 molecule of organic ester of glycerol and 3 molecules of fatty acids. Classification of fats. Fats are classified based on their nature: solid fat, liquid fat. Solid fat. Fat that remains solid at room temperature and in normal pressure are termed as solid fat. For example, animal fat, butter, etc. Liquid fat. Liquid fat remains liquid at room temperature and in normal pressure. For example, soybean oil, mustard oil, etc. According to their sources, fat are classified into 2 groups: plant lipids, animal lipids. Plant lipid. Fats we get from plant sources are known as plant lipids. For example, coconut oil, mustard oil. Animal lipids. Animal lipids are available in animals. Example, ghee, butter, fish oil, etc. Fat are grouped into three based in their sources. First category lipids, second category lipids and third category lipids. First category lipids, soybean oil, ghee, butter, mustard oil, cod liver oil, shark oil, etc. contain 90 to 100% lipid. Second category, in these sources lipid contain in 40 to 50%. Almond, peanut, cashew nut, walnut, coconut, etc. Third category lipids, here a available lipid count of 15 to 20%. Milk, egg, fish, meat, liver, etc. are the best sources of this kind of lipid. 20 to 25% calories should come from fat in our daily diet. Functions of lipids. The main functions of lipid is to supply heat and energy for the body. 1 gram of lipid yields 9 kilocalories of energy. Lipid is stored as fuel in the body and burned for energy whenever needed. Number 1. Cholesterol and phospholipid are two general elements of cell wall. Number 2. Fat are the carriers of fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E and K. Adipose tissue where fat is stored serves as the insulation material in injury. Vital organs of the body are thus protected. Lipid keeps our body warm by preventing the wastage of heat. Essential fatty acids help to maintain tissue their normal structure and efficiency. Thus, we are protected from any kind of skin disease. Deficiency of fat. Fat-soluble vitamin cannot function without the presence of fats. Skin becomes dry and itching. During infancy, a deficiency of essential fatty acid results in eczema. For participating my class attentively and carefully. Thanks to all of you.